We've got a 2011 Alfa Romeo Giulietta 1.6 turbo diesel with the trouble code P1540. It's coming up for the variable displacement oil pump as a shorter ground.
Okay, and with the vehicle up in the air, if you look just to the side of there's the crank pulley, just to the side of it. It's a bit difficult to see. There's a sensor there, and that is an oil pressure regulator sensor. With that sensor disconnected, you can see our fault code has changed from a shorter ground to an open circuit.
Because the trouble code changed when we unplugged the regulator, I know that the ECU is at least monitoring that circuit somewhat correctly. There is a common fault with the regulators themselves, so we're going to replace that first, then go from there.
Right, so to remove the regulator, it is quite fiddly. You can take a section out of the wheel arch, so you can get your hand in. As long as you've got a flexible head quarter drive ratchet with a 25 Torx, you'll be able to get onto the securing bolt. But it is fiddly, so I'll have to put the camera down for me to finish taking this out. Okay, and there's the part number on the side of the regulator. You see there's a little rubber O-ring. When this is in, it's in quite tight. If you just rotate it enough, with a little bit of leverage, it'll come out. It's not too bad. The only issue with this is that it's in an awkward area, and that is very, very awkward to get this securing bolt out. Even though it's just a Torx 25, if you just have a normal quarter drive ratchet, the head is too large and you just don't have any clearance to put a socket on there. Just to show you that I've used a snap-on adjustable head. I'll put the part number in the description. To put these next to each other, and even though it's only a little bit thinner, it does make a difference. And even with this, when you've gotten this bolt out to a certain length, you're going to lose clearance again with this one, so then you'll have to switch over to this, which is even a lower profile again. Without using these two ratchets, you'd have to take the crank pulley off, take the auxiliary belt off, and possibly even remove the aircon housing. So just having these two ratchets just save an extra job. Okay, so we've got the new part, so we'll just insert this into where it lives. Start the securing bolt by hand. Exit out tab, just push it down. Make sure it's secure.
Now that we've replaced the regulator, I've gone ahead and cleared the cords using the diagnostic tool. We're going to start it up now.
Okay, now returning engine management light. We scan for code, system pass.
We've been on road test, no fault codes have come back on, the engine management's still off. So yeah, job done.